Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is June 24th and the chart of the day for today is the pound yen 60 minutes time frame here. So we're looking, as you can see, the pair currently still extending to the upside. Within with 5 now in the minor degree, which subdivides into potentially another 5 waves, in which a 5 waves up from the low here will be ending 1 of 5. And the alternate could possibly be ending the entire wave 5 already here. So instead of ending 1 of 5, that could be in the entire wave 5, and then we will actually get a bigger pullback, not just a pullback of this magnitude, right? But I think what I want to stress about now, I think it's more towards the short term, which is simply the structure from the low here, which looks to be only a 3 wave so far, with no divergence at the peak, suggesting that most likely we are still not yet the end of wave 5. Okay, which most likely suggests we are not at the end of wave 5 because there is no divergence so far. So that means that this current pullback here still can find support, short-term pullback, at least to create a 5 waves up from the lows here. 100% extension of these 3 waves potentially can see support right here, 196.80 and 196.28, and then from here we can make one more push higher to finish 5 waves up from here, and then we will have two options: either we finish 1 of 5 or we finish with 5 and see a bigger pullback. If I zoom out, focusing on the minor degree 3 and 4, that's the 3 and the 4, and as you can see, this is the 1 and the 2, and this is the same low, April 10th, which is the low in the indices as well after the tariff war bottom, right, and then starting to rally higher. So this entire structure here is going to be ending soon, okay, as a 5 waves, and then from there again we will get a bigger pullback to correct this one. So the structure is kind of similar to the indices also expecting the same cycle to finish and then see a bigger pullback like this, right? Now the only question again is whether this 5 waves rally from the lows either be only ending 1 of 5 or it could be ending the entire wave 5. So if we are ending only 1 of 5, then we should be getting a few more high like this: 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, 5 of 5 to finish with 5 here. And the other alternate is that will be ending with 5 and then we start the bigger pullback, right? So two options there, which is equally possible, but in the shorter cycle it looks like we could still see at least one more push higher to finish at least a 5 waves up from here, which so far looks like a 3 way so far. So one more push higher in the short term, then we're gonna have to make decisions like the market, whether it's gonna be extending higher within wave 5 or wave 5 ends here. Then we will start getting a bigger pullback. All right, so that's the idea. And as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. Here's our website, and I will provide the direct link in the description of the video. You can try our trial, which is only 99 cents if you are new members. And then if you want to check after trial what kind of plans we have, you can check it here and compare the differences, the plans and the pricing. So we have a couple of different plans from silver, gold, platinum, diamond. And then if you want to check our educational classes, if you are completely new and want to learn more about Elliott Wave, you can check these educational courses to see which one can help you out. All right, so I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.